To start with your winter hinge installation, you're going to make sure the door is disconnected from the rest of the system. So if you have a rope feeding through here or any other connection method, you're going to make sure it's disconnected from the door. So you're going to take a pry bar or similar tool and place it in the seam between the door and the framing and start to pry the door away from the framing. You're also going to pull against the door while you're prying to rip the door out from the framing. The door outside of the inlet, you want to remove the existing hinge by sliding it off the end. You can discard this. So once you have the door removed, you're going to take your new hinge with the flange facing towards you and install it into where the old hinge went. You'll take your screws and put them through the flange into the frame of the inlet. You'll put 4 screws down the length of the hinge, securing it into the framing. So once you've installed your hinge, you're going to take your door and slide it into the new hinge. After you slide it into the new hinge, you're going to put 4 screws down the length of the door, through the hinge into the door.